Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and this guide I'm going to show you two simple options to edit your media in your WordPress site. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to edit your media in your WordPress site, you have to log into your admin or your editor account in WordPress. And then on the dashboard right here, as you can see, you have the media options library, and also you can add a new media file or just drag and drop it right here. But this is the first option to edit it. If I just click on one image, I cannot edit or delete a few of them all in once, like make a bold edit. But I can only choose one of them, and then it will open this image on pop-up, and then I can see that I can edit the alternative text, title, caption, description, and also edit the image scale or crop and resize it. Now I can also delete this specific image and just paginate it to the other image. But if I choose the other options like this list, I can see that I can choose in a bulk options right here as many images as I want, and then I can choose what to do with them, like optimize them, resize them, or delete them permanently. Now this is my option to save time to optimize it or delete it, but if I want, I cannot click on here and it will choose and pop up this image options. It will only make this page, like this specific page of the media, available. Now the other option, as you can see, will not make the bulk option, but this will do. So if you want to save time, just choose the list options so you can edit it in bulk options. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to edit your media in your WordPress site with those two options. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I'll comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.